Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make money with a TikTok Shop affiliate. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type shop.tiktok.com and press enter. This URL will direct you to the official TikTok Shop website, where you can manage your affiliate account and other seller activities. To proceed with your affiliate activities, you need to log into your TikTok Shop account. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Ensure you have your login credentials handy. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to sign up by following the registration process. The Seller Center is the hub where you manage all aspects of your TikTok Shop activities, including affiliate marketing. After logging in, find and click on Seller Center. This section might be prominently displayed on the homepage or under a menu. It is designed to help you manage your seller account, products, and analytics. TikTok Shop operates in different regions, and you need to select the appropriate portal based on your location. Choose between options such as Asia Seller, Europe Seller, or North America Seller. For example, if you are based in Asia, select the Asia Seller portal. If your target market is different from your location, choose accordingly. This ensures your account settings and regulations are aligned with the correct region. If you are looking to sell globally, you need to access the Global Selling Seller portal. Click on Enter next to Global Selling Seller. This option allows you to reach a wider audience by managing your products and sales on an international level. To proceed, you need to authenticate your identity by entering your login credentials. Input your phone number and password in the provided fields. Ensure your phone number is linked to your TikTok Shop account. Keep your password secure to prevent unauthorized access. For individuals in the UK, there are specific age and documentation requirements. Ensure the applicant is at least 18 years old. Use a UK passport or driver's license for identity verification. If you're not from the UK but plan to sell there, a UK driver's license will suffice. You must also have a UK address and provide proof of it. Companies need to meet specific criteria to sell on the TikTok Shop in the UK. Only UK registered businesses can apply. These companies must operate from a UK-based warehouse. Proof of address is necessary, such as a lease agreement. Companies are responsible for paying important VAT and custom duties for goods entering the UK. Additionally, provide a residential address and proof of address for a company representative who resides in the UK. TikTok Shop offers a commission for affiliates, which is a key incentive for the participation. Look for the section detailing the affiliate commission, which might be up to 40%. This section may also include instructional videos to guide you through the affiliate setup and earning process. To maximize your success, you can use external tools for analytics and insights. Open a new browser and search for Kalo Data. Kalo Data is a tool that provides comprehensive data analytics for TikTok Shop, helping you make informed decisions about products and marketing strategy. Once you find Kalo Data, you need to explore its features. Click on the first link in the search results, which should take you to the official Kalo Data website. Kalo Data offers insights on over 100 million products, 200,000 creators, 300 million videos and live streams, and 500 days of historical data. These metrics can significantly aid your affiliate marketing efforts. To use Kalo Data, you need to create an account or log in. Click on Product and enter your email and password. Alternatively, you can log in using your TikTok credentials. Logging in allows you to access detailed analytics and insights tailored to TikTok Shop, which can enhance your affiliate marketing strategy. An ideogram is a tool that helps you create visual content. It can be especially useful for creating engaging images for your TikTok Shop promotion. Open your web browser and navigate to the ideogram website by typing ideogram in the search bar and selecting the official site from the result. On the homepage, you will see various pictures and templates. These can be used as inspiration or directly for your marketing content. You can either browse the existing templates or search for specific types of images or graphics you want to create. Find the specific type of image or template you need. For example, search for promotional banners or TikTok ad templates. Customize the templates as per your requirements. This step is crucial for creating visually appealing content that can attract more viewers and potential customers. GetSubs is a tool that helps you generate subtitles for videos, making your content more accessible and engaging. Open your web browser and go to GetSubs by typing GetSubs in the search bar and selecting the official site from the result. GetSubs allows you to input a video URL and generate subtitles in various formats like SRT, VTT, and TXT. To generate subtitles, you need to provide a video URL from TikTok. Go to TikTok.com and find a video from a creator that you want to use. For example, select a popular video that aligns with your affiliate marketing content. Click on the share button and copy the link to the video. Paste the copied TikTok video link into GetSubs to generate subtitles. On the GetSubs website, paste the video link into the designated field and submit it. GetSubs will process the video and provide primary subtitles in SRT, VTT, and TXT formats. Download the format that best suits your needs. ChatGPT can help refine and enhance the subtitles by adding punctuation and improving readability. Open ChatGPT. Ensure you have your subtitles text ready to be processed to make your subtitles more professional. You can use ChatGPT to add punctuation and correct any grammatical errors. Type a prompt like add punctuation to this and paste the subtitles text you generated from GetSubs. ChatGPT will process the text and provide you with a revised version with proper punctuation and grammatical corrections. Review the output from ChatGPT to ensure accuracy and quality. Copy the enhanced subtitles and integrate them back into your videos or use them as needed. Properly punctuated and grammatically correct subtitles make your content more engaging and professional, which can help attract and retain viewers. ChatGPT can help you create compelling posts for TikTok, which can highlight your products and attract a larger audience. Open ChatGPT in your web browser. You can access it through the OpenAI website or any other hosting platform. Ensure you have a clear idea of the product and the key points you want to highlight in your post. To demonstrate how ChatGPT can assist, you will start by asking it to write a post about a specific product. Type the prompt, write a post for TikTok about Himalayan Shilajit into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a detailed post that includes information about the products, its benefits, and any other relevant detail. This can serve as a foundation for your TikTok content. You can refine the generated content to make it more appealing and targeted. Ask ChatGPT to enhance the post by highlighting the benefits and including an attention-grabbing hook. For example, type write a post for TikTok about my product and highlight the benefits. Include an attention-grabbing hook that will attract the target audience. ChatGPT will provide a revised version of the post with an engaging hook and highlighted benefits, making it more attractive to potential customers. To make the post even more engaging, you can ask ChatGPT to add some capitalized words for emphasis and exaggeration. Instruct ChatGPT with a prompt like add some capitalized words to add more exaggeration. ChatGPT will revise the post again, adding capitalized words to draw attention to key points and create a sense of excitement and urgency. Review the final output to ensure it meets your expectations and is ready for posting on TikTok. Copy the content generated by ChatGPT and prepare to post it on your TikTok account. An engaging and well-crafted post can significantly boost your product's visibility and attract more customers through your TikTok Shop affiliate link. Open your web browser and type ShortX AI into the search bar, then press enter. Look for the official website for ShortX AI in the search results and click on it to open the site. Once on the website, explore how ShortX can help you automate your social media posts to increase virality. This typically involves using AI to schedule, optimize, and enhance your content. Find and click the sign up button on the ShortX AI website. This will redirect you to the registration page. Fill in the required details, such as your email address, username, and password. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. After creating your account, you will be presented with different subscription plans. Review the available monthly credit packs and select the one that best suits your needs and budget. Go back to your ChatGPT interface and locate the paragraph or content that was previously generated for your TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. Copy this content to your clipboard. Open a new tab in your browser and go to the 11 Labs website. Paste the copied paragraph into the text box provided on the 11 Labs site. Follow the instructions to generate a voiceover for your content. Play the generated voice to ensure it meets your expectation. If satisfied, download the audio file to your computer. Go to the Ideogram website and use the search function to find images relevant to your product. For example, search for Himalayan, Shilajit, like the ones that best represent your product. Click on your chosen image. Click on the three dots option menu on the selected image and choose the download option to save the image to your computer. Repeat this for multiple images if desired. Open the CapCut video editing software on your computer. Import the images you downloaded from Ideogram into CapCut by clicking the Import or Add Media button. Arrange and edit the images to create an appealing visual presentation. Adjust brightness and contrast and apply any filters or effects as needed. Import the voiceover file you generated with 11 Labs into CapCut. Sync it with the images by adjusting the timing of the timeline. Use CapCut's text tool to add relevant text to your video. This could include product details, promotional messages, or affiliate links. Once you are satisfied with the edits, export the video. Choose the appropriate size and format that suits TikTok's requirements. Save the exported video file to your computer, ready for uploading to your TikTok account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.